Good afternoon. Thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you a recipe for liver support juice. The liver is a very special organ. Even when it is more than 50% damaged, it can be fully restored. After the skin, the liver is our largest organ, and it's a busy factory where carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are metabolized, and carbohydrates are stored as glycogen. Every day, the liver manufactures about 1 liter of bile, which is stored in a gallbladder. After the heart and lungs, the liver is perhaps your most vital organ. A sluggish liver can cause a number of symptoms that lead to misdiagnosis for other chronic autoimmune diseases. This sluggishness can be prevented and also corrected through rejuvenating and cleansing your liver frequently. This liver support juice may help to ease the burden on your body's master cleansing organ and improve the way you look and feel. Freshly juiced carrots are one of the best-known sources of provitamin A, beta-carotene, and alpha-carotene for protecting your body from free radical damage. These antioxidant nutrients are converted to vitamin A when needed and are actually stored within your liver's cells. Apples are rich in pectin. Pectin is a type of fiber that binds to toxins in your intestines as they are digested so they can be safely excreted, well before your liver has to deal with them. In this way, eating apples regularly as well as using them in juices will help ease the workload on your liver and improve your overall health. Beets contain nutrients that have been identified to promote the flow of bile for better digestion and improved liver function. In fact, beetroot juice is so powerful, it is even believed to help regenerate liver cells and clear fatty deposits. Ginger contains compounds to stimulate better digestion and may help protect your liver from oxidative damage that can play a part in liver diseases and the development of a fatty liver. Artichoke leaf has been used in European herbal traditions to stimulate bile secretion and movement of the bile tract. It has also been shown to protect the liver from toxins and reduce cholesterol. Milk thistle is by far the best in the prevention and treatment of liver damage. The active component in milk thistle has been shown to alter the cell structure of the outer liver membrane to prevent toxic chemicals from entering the liver. It stimulates the liver's own capacity to generate new liver cells and is a powerful liver-specific antioxidant. Dandelion root has been used to promote bile secretion in liver, gallbladder, and kidney ailments, and as a tonic for weak and impaired digestion. Dandelion root has a tonic effect on the liver and helps its function. If you are taking medication, pregnant, or nursing, it is recommended that you avoid the herbs in this recipe. It is always important to speak with your doctor to see if an herbal supplement may be right for your current medical condition. I appreciate you watching. Good day and good health.